What up, what up? Back for part 2 of this build series. We're actually going to be building out the motor. I already took it off the body. I got everything mocked up for the most part. And went ahead and pulled off the panels, added some new fuel lines, and yeah, so the body's ready. Now it's just time to put on this big bore kit. This is basically a complete S23 build from start to finish with the pipe, jets, oil plug delete, Contra spring, 50mm cylinder. It's S23, but the brand is a Charmo cylinder, 50mm. It came with studs and the nuts, which is nice. I bought this back whenever it was real cheap. For the transmission, we're gonna do the stage 6 adjustable along with a Keli, so it's going to be a little bit more of a performance variator other than stock. So yeah, should be nice. Also, we got some tuning supplies, a must-have if you're going to be doing any build. Got weights, more weights, and then some shims. Safe to say I got it running. Nice. It's a wheelie machine.
Cause I won't graduate, so it's time to make a move. But what